Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yuka app. You will go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Yuka app. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yuka app. And then you will update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for